Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the system of inequalities p plus x is greater than y and r minus x is less than negative y. We're told in the xy plane 2, 2 is a solution to the system of inequalities. So we can plug in x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 into both of these inequalities and they will be true. So if p plus x is 2 is greater than 2, and r minus x is 2 is less than negative y is negative 2. So then solving these, we can subtract 2 from both sides for this one. These cancel. We're left with p is greater than 2 minus 2, which is 0. Adding 2 on both sides for this one will get you r by itself, because these will cancel. We have r is less than negative 2 plus 2, or 0. So we have p is greater than 0, and r is less than 0. So therefore, we have an inequality like this, where r is less than 0, and 0 is less than p. So therefore, r must be less than b. B, therefore, is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.